Hi Shepherds, it's D week, and this week we are going to, for science, we are going to make a fossil. A fossil are remains or impressions of prehistoric animals or organisms. We are going to make our own impression of a dinosaur. How fun. Or a dinosaur footprint. So that's why we have a couple of little dinosaurs here. And we have a big dinosaur, but we're just going to use his footprint by stomping it down into our fossil. How are we going to make an impression? Impression is like if there's mud and you put your hand or your foot into it and you lift it up, you will see what is left behind is called an impression. So today we need 3 things. A half a cup of salt, right here. We need a half a cup of water, right here. And we need 1 cup of flour, right here. 3 things. It tells us to mix the dry ingredients together first. So we're going to put our salt in the bowl. We are going to put our flour in the bowl. And we're going to mix it with my mixing spoon. Stir it up. Mix it all up. Then it tells us, come on over here while I'm stirring it, to slowly stir in water a little bit at a time. Make sure that the mixture is more dry than wet. So now that this is all mixed up, we will add our water a little bit at a time. A little bit, maybe that was a little bit too much. We'll have to find out when we mix it up. We'll stir it up. Still looks pretty dry, so we're going to add some more water. A little bit. Stir it up. Okay, let's add a little, the rest of the water. Hopefully that will be enough water. Otherwise, we can get some more, can't we? We can get some more from the sink. So we're going to stir it up. Then after we stir it up, it tells us to roll some of the dough into a small ball. So I'm going to take some of this dough out. Looks like I could use a little bit more water, but some of it's good. So I'm going to just take some out. If you're at home, you can add more water to it if you need to, because this is kind of dry. But I'm going to take some of it out with my hand because it feels good when it's kind of squishy like that. I'm going to squish it like this. And since I only have one hand, because my other hand is using my phone to make this video for you, so I'm going to roll it like you would roll Play-Doh, right? Roll it into a ball. Okay. Then it says to flatten the dough. Make it flat like we would with Play-Doh. You can also do this with Play-Doh if you want to. You flatten it out, okay? Make it flat. How does that look? Pretty good? I'm going to take one of my little dinosaurs right here. Let's see what it tells us to do. Lay the dinosaur on its side in the dough. Remove the dinosaur from the dough. So let's lay down the dinosaur and push it in. Push, push, push. Now pull it out. A little bit came up, but look, you can see the impression of the dinosaur. See the impression? Now I'm going to use the same Play-Doh to show you how we can make an impression of a dinosaur's foot. If a dinosaur long ago walked in the mud, it would have left and could have left an impression in the mud, just like that. We're going to fix that a little bit. There's a little bit of a hole in it. We're going to let this dry, and once it's dry, you can paint it if you want to. You can paint this a brown or black or whatever color you like, and inside you can paint it another color so you'll be able to see the impression even better. You can use the rest of your Play-Doh to make more impressions of the same dinosaurs, or you can use an impression of another dinosaur. That'd be kind of cool, wouldn't it? I'm going to do that. I'm going to add a little bit more water, and I'm going to make more impressions. But this is how you can make your own fossil. It's a pretend fossil of a dinosaur and a dinosaur footprint. Hope you have fun. Bye.